Here I am telling about the gerund, right? So if you want to know the definition of the gerund, then you can say that a gerund is the ing form of the verb that acts partly as a verb and partly as a noun. Clear? Partly as a noun and partly as a verb. Okay, so I can say one example first. Swimming is a good exercise. Okay, so here swimming is acts as a noun. Okay, so swimming is a good exercise. Now one thing I want to say you, a gerund, okay, can be used as many form. That means for as a verb, number two as a object of the verb. It can be used as an object of the verb. I am giving the example one by one. Number three, it can be used as the object of the preposition. Object of the preposition. Okay, and there are also more. Fourth one is as the complement of the verb. Complement, right? Complement of the verb or of a verb. Of a verb you can write. Number five, a prohibition. A prohibition. I will give the example. HIBITION. Prohibition. Okay, as an absolute part of a phrase. As an absolute part of a phrase. Part of phrase. Okay, and last, and activity after the verb, go or item form. Okay, time I will say or write last at last. First one I want to give few examples. It acts as a verb. In the first example, what I showed you that if I am telling that the uh, playing is good for health, this is a example that it works as a verb. Playing is good for children or everyone, you can say children. Matlab here if playing, it is the verb form, it is acting as a verb, right? That is, it is the act of the playing, act of the play is a good for everyone or children. It can work as an object of the verb. I am giving the example. For example, a true Muslim hates drinking. If I can write it, a true Muslim hates drinking, right? This drinking word here is acting as an object of the verb. Okay, a true Muslim, that means hate. Here main verb is the hate, right? And drinking is the object of this sentence. Okay, that means the act of taking drink or taking wine. Okay, so it is a here it is working as an object. Okay, now I am telling another example about object of the preposition. How? He is fond of singing. Okay, so singing, this singing here is an object of the pronoun he. Okay, that means he likes singing, he is fond of singing. Fourth one, I am giving you the complement of a verb. Complement of a verb, what he needs is beating. Write this. What he needs is beating. I am telling how it is the complementing the verb. So actually in this, what he needs, okay, needs is the main verb, what he needs is the main verb. Now beating is adding the complement to this need. Okay, what he needs is beating, that means he needs beating actually. So this beating is complementing needs here. As a prohibition, there are so many examples of the prohibition. No parking here, no parking here. So this here is act as prohibition, that means something is being prohibited, right? No parking here. Actually sign of exclamation is added at the last of this type of the sentence. An absolute part of a phrase, here I am giving one example. Running being prohibited in the park, running being prohibited in the park, we came back. Okay, I am writing here running being prohibited in the park, okay, comma, we came back. Okay, we came back. So here running is being prohibited in the park is a phrase. Okay, running being the prohibited in the park is a phrase. Okay, so here the running is acting here as a gerund. Okay, the main sentence is we came back. Why we came back? The running being the prohibited in the park. Okay, right? I think you are understanding. You can take another more example to know the use of the gerunds in various form. That means what I discussed in this video. Okay, the last one I want to say you, for example, activity after the verb go or its form. Okay, an activity, last one, and activity after the verb, after the verb go or its other form also. Okay, its other form. For example, I am giving, we use this type of sentence generally. Let us go playing. So after go we are using this ing form of the verb. So this is also a use of the gerund. Let us go playing, let us go swimming. Okay, let us go, or you can say mother has gone shopping. You can also say mother has gone shopping, mother has gone, because it is the last and third form of go. You can say here shopping, right? Mother has gone shopping. Okay, you can say Ram has gone playing. I think this all explanation about the use of the gerund in the various form, you can get an idea from this video, and you can apply this idea for making or identifying the sentence by taking more example. One thing I want to say, what is the important in this type of the article, that means subject, that means is gerund and participle. How the question will be asked in the examination? Actually, they will give a question, a sentence, 2 or 3 or 4 sentence. Okay, now you have to identify that whether it is a gerund or whether it is a participle, right? Whether it is a gerund or whether it is a participle. So you have to identify by taking idea of this. Okay, when the how it is very clearly explained in the first video, that when the ing form or the third form, the verb acts as partly as an adjective, then it is a participle, and when it acts as a noun, it is a gerund. Now after that you have to also sub classify the example, that which type of the participle is the sentence is. For example, it is the present participle or the past participle or the perfect participle. Okay friend, I think you will enjoy this video. Okay, thank you.